In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily set different photos as your iPhone home screen and lock screen wallpapers. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started, and first off, just swipe down from the top of the screen to bring up the lock screen. Then just hold down and you can customize the existing wallpaper, or you can swipe to the very right and then hit add plus sign to create new wallpaper pair. Now you can tap at photos, and that will open up your camera roll. Then you can just select any picture, and once you did that, just hit on add and it will prompt you to set it as wallpaper pair. If you tap at that button, that will set the same wallpaper on your lock and home screens. If you want to set different wallpaper on your home screen, tap at customize home screen, then tap at photo, and that will open up camera roll. Then just select different photo. You can add some filters to that photo, and once you're done with that, hit add done, and that will set that photo to your home screen. If you want to blur it, you can activate blur feature. If you don't, just hit add done, and then it will set different wallpapers on your lock and home screens. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.